Solve for x. Root x minus 8 plus root x plus 8 is equal to 8. How do we solve this problem? I'm going to show you step by step. Ensure you follow this video till the very end. The first thing I'm going to do is to choose a variable to represent root x minus 8, then another variable to represent root x plus 8. So let root x minus 8 be a, then root x plus 8 be b. I'm going to write the original equation using a and b. A plus b is equal to 8. I call this equation 1. The next thing I'm going to do is to get a squared and b squared. A is equal to root x minus 8. Therefore, a squared will be x minus 8. B is equal to root x plus 8. Therefore, b squared is equal to x plus 8. I have b squared and a squared. I'm going to introduce difference of two squares. So b squared minus a squared. What is b squared? X plus 8 minus a squared. What is a squared? X minus 8. So b squared minus a squared give us x minus x plus 8 minus x plus 8. So b squared minus a squared is equal. This x cancels this x, leaving us with 16. So this is equation 2. So b squared minus a squared is equal to 16. Note, b squared minus a squared can be written as b plus a, then b minus a. If we go back, a plus b is 8. Remember, addition is commutative, so b plus a is also 8. So b squared minus a squared is equal to 8 into b minus 8. This b squared is equal to 16. So 16 is equal to 8 into b minus a. Dividing both sides by 8. 2 is equal to b minus a. Let me leave this as equation 4. Okay, if I go back, a plus b is equal to 8. So 8 is equal to a plus b. Okay, if I add these two equations, adding these two equations, add both equations, 10 is equal, this minus cancels this minus, 2b. So b is equal 10 over 2. B is equal to 5. Okay, since a plus b is equal to a, I can get a. A is equal to 8 minus 5. So a is equal to 3. Now, a is equal to root x minus 8, and b is equal to root x plus 8. A is equal to root x minus 8. Okay, so 3 is equal to root x minus 8. Squaring both sides. 9 is equal to x minus 8. So 9 plus 8 is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 17. Whichever equation we use, we will still arrive at the same answer. Let me do the second equation just to show you. I used a now. Let me use b. B is equal to root x plus 8. And we got b as 5. So 5 is equal to root x plus 8. If I square both sides, 25 is equal to x plus 8. Therefore, x will be 25 minus 8. X is 17.